Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and gosh, it's been a long time since I've done a rainbow loom tutorial, but I know you guys have been wanting one. See in the comments. So it's 2020 now. It's been 5 years since I've done it, and this is a new bracelet that I just made this morning. It took a long time to just get back into the looming, but let's get started on this tutorial. You want to line up your bands in color order. This one is white and rainbow. So if you wanted rainbow, you would do these color ones as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, but I'm just doing pink and purple for the tutorial. So I'm gonna start with my trusty pencil loom here. This is also 5 years old. See, the bands are breaking on the bottom. And I'm using special edition rainbow loom bands right now, but these are just regular rainbow loom bands. So create an 8, figure 8, and then you're gonna start off with your colored band on top like that. You're gonna pull over your white band. So that's what it's gonna look like. So pretty straightforward. And then now the next one, you're just gonna put your white band on top. And then you're gonna take this middle purple band, and you're gonna pull it up. Now you're gonna take your pink band. So you have 3 bands on both sides. You're gonna take this white band and then pull it up. And then you're gonna take this middle white band and pull it up. Put another white band on top. And this is how I remember it. When you put a white band on top, you're gonna pull the colored bands on, but you have to know which colored band. You're gonna pull the left one, which is lower, the bottom colored band, up, and then the middle pink colored band. You're gonna pull that up. And you're gonna repeat this, so I'm gonna show you again. So now you're putting a purple band on, so this is a colored band. So when you pull a colored band on, you're gonna pull the white bands up. But which white bands? It's the lower one. See, this one looks lower than this one. You're gonna pull the lower white band up and then the middle white band up. Okay, do it again. So now I'm putting a white band on top. So because I put a white band on top, I pull the color band up. So the pink color band that's lower and then the middle purple one, like that. Put their pink band on top. So since you put the pink band on top, you're gonna pull the lower white one on the side and the middle white one. Put the white band on top. So you're gonna pull this purple one up and this pink one up because you put the white one on. Do it again, we put the purple band up. Since it's purple, we pull this white one up and this bottom white one up. Putting the white band over here, and then we're gonna pull this pink one up and this middle purple one up. So it makes it so much easier when you line up your bands. So please line up your bands for the tutorial. Okay, so I put a pink band up, so we're gonna pull the white one up, and then the white one up on the other side. I'm gonna put a white band on top, put the purple one up, and then the purple one up. Put a pink band on top. And then we're gonna pull, since we put the pink band up, we're gonna pull the white one on this side and the white one on this side. And then you can see the pattern. I'm gonna do a couple more. I didn't line up my bands and I think I ran out of pink bands. So let me just do these two. These are different color a little. There's like a glitter band. So I put the white band up on top. Since I put a white band, I'm gonna pull a pink and then a pink. And I'm gonna put a purple band. See, it's a little off color, but I'm trying to do more stitches so you guys can see. So then since this is a purple band, you're pulling the white and the white. So the colors are a little off, and then you're just gonna keep going. And then I don't have a C-clip, so I'm gonna reuse this one. Not prepared for this tutorial, but to end it, you just pull up these 2 bands, the bottom bands, and then you're gonna just pull it and C-clip it. So let me just show you how it looks. And I think I missed the colors with the purple on the bottom, but that's fine. you see how this is the pattern. So it looks different. It looks a little different when you use different type of bands. So this is my rainbow loom band, or just like the flat ones, and these are the silicone special edition bands. But that's how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed this 2020 rainbow loom coronavirus quarantine tutorial. I'm glad it's back. I'm super excited to make more tutorials. Write in the comments below if you want to see more rainbow loom tutorials. Thanks for watching, and bye now.